Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? The vastness of the universe, with its twinkling stars and distant planets, has always intrigued us. The shining stars, the faraway planets, the immensity of space. Each point of light in the sky tells a story billions of years old. It's enough to spark curiosity in anyone. The curiosity that leads us to explore, to learn, and to discover. For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the cosmos. From the first astronomers who mapped the stars to modern scientists unraveling the secrets of the universe. We've built giant telescopes to observe the depths of the universe. These powerful instruments allow us to see beyond what human eyes can reach. But what if I told you that you can explore the wonders of space from your own backyard? You don't need a fancy observatory to start your journey. What if you could build your own telescope? With a little patience and some simple materials, you can create a window to the cosmos. It's easier than you think. With clear instructions and affordable materials, anyone can put together a working telescope. With just a few simple materials, you can build a mini telescope that will let you see the craters of the moon, the rings of Saturn, and even distant galaxies. Imagine the thrill of seeing these celestial bodies with your own eyes. Building your own telescope is a fun and rewarding project. It's an activity that can be done as a family, creating lasting memories. It's a great way to learn about optics and astronomy. By assembling your telescope, you also learn about the laws of physics that govern light and vision, and it's an experience you'll never forget. Every night of observing becomes an adventure, a chance to discover something new. Ready to embark on your own cosmic journey? The universe is waiting for you, full of mysteries and wonders to be discovered. Before we start building, let's dive into the fascinating world of telescopes. Let's talk about how telescopes work and why they're so important for astronomy. Telescopes are like giant magnifying glasses for space, allowing us to see beyond what our eyes can reach. They use lenses to collect and focus light, which is essential for observing distant celestial objects. This allows us to see faraway objects as if they were much closer, revealing incredible details of the universe. The most important part of a telescope is its lenses, which determine the quality of the image. There are two main types of lenses in a telescope: the objective lens and the eyepiece lens. The objective lens is the larger lens at the front of the telescope, responsible for collecting light. It gathers light from distant objects and forms an image, which is then magnified by the eyepiece lens. The objective lens is crucial for capturing light and creating a clear and detailed image. The eyepiece lens is the smaller lens you look through, and it magnifies the image formed by the objective lens. It enlarges the image formed by the objective lens, allowing us to see details that would be invisible to the naked eye. Together, these two lenses work to bring the wonders of the universe within our reach, revealing the beauty and mysteries of the cosmos. Alright, let's gather the materials we need to build our mini telescope. Don't worry, you don't need anything fancy. In fact, you might already have most of these things at home. We'll be using simple things, like cardboard tubes and magnifying glasses. It's a great way to learn about science without spending a lot of money. Here's a list of what you'll need. 2 cardboard tubes of different diameters. One should fit snugly inside the other. 2 magnifying glasses. One should be bigger than the other. Some strong adhesive tape. Masking tape or electrical tape works well. Scissors, a ruler, and a pencil or pen. That's it. With these simple materials, we can create our own window to the universe. Remember those lenses we talked about? Now it's time to find the right ones for our telescope. We need 2 magnifying glasses, a bigger one and a smaller one. The bigger one goes in front and collects the light from faraway stars and planets. Think of it like a funnel for starlight. The smaller magnifying glass acts like a zoom button. It takes the bright light collected by the first lens and makes it bigger for our eyes to see. It seems like magic, but it's science. Section 5. Finding the right focus. Bringing the stars closer. Here's a cool trick with telescopes. You can adjust how far away things look. This is called focusing. Our homemade telescope does this by sliding the tubes in and out. It's like adjusting binoculars until the picture becomes crystal clear. When you look through your telescope, don't be afraid to move the tubes around a bit. You'll know you've got it right when the stars or planets appear sharp. Section 6. Building your telescope. A step-by-step guide. In this video, we'll guide you through each step to build your own homemade telescope. Okay, ready to build? Let's turn these simple materials into a telescope. You'll be surprised how easy and fun it can be. Follow these easy steps and soon you'll be on your way to exploring the cosmos. Imagine the stars and planets you'll be able to see with your own telescope. 1. Prepare the tubes. Take the larger cardboard tube and carefully cut one of the ends. This will be the main body of your telescope. Make sure the edge is smooth so you have a clear view. A rough edge can distort your view. 2. Attach the objective lens. This is the larger magnifying glass. It will be the main lens of your telescope. Use tape to attach it to the end of the tube you just cut. Make sure it's securely fastened. Make sure it's centered and secure, like a big eye looking out. This will ensure a clear and focused view. 3. The inner tube. Now take the smaller tube and attach the smaller magnifying glass to one end. This will be the sliding tube of your telescope. This is your eyepiece. It's where you'll look through to see distant objects. 4. Putting it all together. Carefully slide the smaller tube with the eyepiece into the larger tube. This will allow you to adjust the focus. The lenses should be at opposite ends. This is crucial for the telescope to work correctly. Now you have a telescope. Congratulations, you did it. Enjoy exploring the universe. Now point your telescope at the sky and start exploring. There's a whole world out there waiting to be discovered. Section 7. Day and Night. Customizing your telescope for every adventure. Who said telescopes are only for nighttime? Your homemade telescope can be used to see amazing things during the day too. Try looking at birds in the trees or faraway buildings. But be careful. Never point your telescope directly at the sun. It's very bright and can hurt your eyes. Always protect your eyes when looking at bright objects. Section 8. Sharing the wonders of the universe. Now that you've built your own telescope and seen the wonders of the universe up close, it's time to share your experience with the world. Tell your friends and family about what you learned. Show them how to build their own telescopes. Let's inspire a love of science and astronomy in everyone around us. Who knows what amazing discoveries we can make together when we open our eyes to the cosmos. Section 9. Keep exploring. The universe is your backyard. Building your own telescope is just the beginning of an amazing journey of discovery. The universe is vast and full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. So, keep exploring. Keep asking questions and never stop looking at the stars. Remember, the universe is your backyard. Go out there and explore it.